Hello friends and welcome to Techi. In this video we are going to learn about Google Ads account and campaign. There are a few things which we have to keep in mind before creating the Google Ad account and campaign. Actually Google wants everyone to follow the hierarchy system of the Google and a structured way of campaign creation. So let's see what are those hierarchy system. If you see the screen, like you have an account, campaign, ad group and ads. So for example, if you have a Gmail email address, that means you already have a Google Ads account. You don't have to sign up a different email address for the Google Ads account. But for example, you have a company email address for like abc.xyz.com. So that means that is not a Gmail address, but still you can create that Google Ads account. What you have to do a new sign up, like you already have an email address of your company, but you have to sign up for a Google Ads account. But if you have a Gmail address, that means you don't have to sign up for a different Google Ads account. So whenever you create the account, your account is associated with the email address, and while creating the account it will ask you the billing detail, like your billing detail will be set on the level account. Like account level you have to set the billing details, like which credit card you are going to use for this account, which payment method is going to be used for this account, like you choose a net banking, you choose a credit card or any other payment method. That will be set on the account level, and on which time zone you are in. Like if you are in a US, that means you have to select your time zone of a US. If you are in India, you have to select the time zone for according to your location. And the account, the fourth thing is a user access. If you want someone to give a control of your account, you can set that user access level or user access control on the account level. And inside the account, like once your account is created, then you can create your campaigns, ad groups, ads, and you can set the keywords. But whenever you create the campaign, it should be in a structured way. Like for example, like if you are selling laptop, like you have there are different brands of laptop like Dell, HP, Lenovo. So it is considered like you should create three campaigns, different campaigns. For a Dell laptop a different campaign, HP laptop a different campaign, and a Lenovo laptop a different campaign. And on the campaign level you have a location setting, like in which country you want to target. You can target multiple countries for a campaign. You can target different cities, and if you're doing a business in a single country, you can target different cities for a particular campaign. And if you are in a city, you can target different area inside your city. So the location is set on the campaign level. Like whenever you want to set the location, you have to set for you have to look on the campaign settings. And the second option is like ad scheduling. If you want to schedule your ad, like you want to run your ad, you have two campaigns like campaign A and campaign B, and you want the campaign A runs from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. every day, and you want campaign B to run as a 24/7 but not on Sunday. So you can make some scheduling settings inside the campaign, and your campaign A will automatically turn on at the 9 a.m. and it will be paused at 9 p.m. but the campaign B will not run only on Sunday, but every day it will run as a 24/7. So the ad scheduling is done on the campaign level. And the third thing is if you want to target the device, like if you want your ads to be shown on a mobile devices, the more on a mobile devices, you can do a bid enhancement on mobile devices, so that the more your ad will be shown to a mobile. And you want to target if you want to target on a computer, you can make some settings on the campaign level to target the computer device as well. And if you are looking for a audience targeting, like you want to target some kind of audience, like they are in a marketing industry or they are in a hospitality industry, you can select those audience targeting settings from the inside the campaign. And inside the campaign you can have multiple ad groups. To make it more clear, let me show you something. So this is one of my clients account, and he has a business of laptop repairing center. So if you see here, this is a campaign. If I go and click on campaign, you can see these are the campaign I have created here. This is a service center campaign, this is a remarketing, and it's paused right now, and this is a laptop service, laptop screen repair, laptop repair, home service, and desktop repair. Why I have created all these different campaign? Because I thought, like, if someone is searching for laptop repair and if someone is searching for laptop screen repair, so these both the query are the different. Like, someone is searching for laptop repair, that means he want to repair his laptop. Might be his laptop is out of warranty and he want to repair that laptop. And the service center means the maybe the laptop is inside the warranty and he's looking, or he or she is looking for the service center so that he can ask for the warranty and he can fix his computer within the warranty. And if someone is searching for laptop screen repair, like if this laptop repair is a campaign which I'm targeting for the audience, those who want to repair the laptop itself, and this is the campaign I'm targeting on the audience, those who want to repair their laptop screen, only for the laptop screen. And this is the laptop service is a campaign for the people, those who are searching for their laptop service. So I have created a different campaign for laptop service. For the service center, the people who are searching for the service center, the people who are searching for the laptop service, the people who are searching for laptop screen repair, and the people who are searching for the laptop repair, laptop home service. If the people are searching for their computer or laptop to be repaired in their home, so this campaign I have created for them. And if someone is searching for the desktop repair, I have created a desktop repair campaign for them. So this is the way I have created. If I would have created only a one campaign like laptop repair service, so all those queries, like, if then I have to put all the keywords inside that campaign, and I would not get the quality score good, not ad relevancy good, because in a one page, not even a good landing page experience. Like if I am talking about a service center, and there should be something written to make the quality score good. There should be something written on the page related to the service center. And if I would have created only a one campaign, that means, and I have to target all these things. I'm talking about the service center, and I have put the laptop screen repair inside that, laptop repair, laptop home service, desktop repair. So the landing page experience will be bad. So in order to set the landing page experience in a good way, I have selected this campaign for a different landing pages, so that if I'm talking about the service center, the landing page will be related to the service center. And I have an option for creating an ad like nearby service center. If I'm talking about the laptop service, I can write my ads related to the laptop service. That will be more relevant to my keywords. Like if I want to talk about, I'm talking about a laptop screen repair, I can create my ads like best screen repair service in your area. So that's why I have categorized it in a different way, so that I can get a good result for this. And if you talk about the result, let me show you the yesterday's. Right now we haven't created the campaign yet. I will tell you how to create the campaign and how to get the best result for your campaign. The bid strategy I am using here, you can see the manual CPC. That means you can increase or decrease your CPC manually. Here I am using the bid strategy as a maximize click. I will tell you how to set that and how we can do that. We have enhanced CPC, like here I'm using as an enhanced CPC. So this is the best example to show you, like in a single account, this is a one account, we have a different campaigns, and I'm using a different bid strategy for a different campaigns. And if you see, like I'm getting this one is the one which is going very good, like we have a 77 clicks, and average cost for this click is 4.54. The main purpose for my main purpose is to reduce the cost, like reduce the cost of the budget, and get the more and more return of investment on the campaign. So like here we are getting like we got the 6 click on 3 rupees and 49 paise, and here we get 9 rupees 68 9.68 rupees, and here it says 7 rupees. So this is going good, and we are getting at least like 157 clicks in just 1055 rupees approx. And what I have done, I have maintained the quality score, landing page experience, and ad relevancy. That's why this is performing well, because if you have a good quality score, like if let me okay, we don't have a quality score in the campaign setting. If we go for the keyword, if we see the keyword setting, we will see the quality score. And for example, if you want this campaign to be scheduled, I can just click on that campaign. I'm inside the campaign. Now this is an ad group. You can see here this is an ad group, laptop service center. It is just related to my keywords, like your ad group should be related something to your keywords. And if I go to the location, like location, here you can set the location. I'm not going to click here because this is someone's account, and I don't want to reveal all those settings for in a public. That's why I can show you the ad schedule. This is the ad schedule, and if you see here, the ad schedule is from Friday 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. like every day, like Monday to Sunday. You can see every day this ads go with like it's turned on 6:30 a.m. and goes off at 10 p.m. And if you talk about the device, here you can see the device settings, and you can see the mobile bids. I have adjust the bid, like I want them to show more and more on mobile. I just increased it 20%, and I'm getting the average CPC of 9.7. If I want the more, I can go up to the 100% of the traffic to just click on the mobile phones. And the computer only, I have received the 4 clicks. Tablet, there is a no click. So more and more traffic I'm getting from the mobile device, and I want to target the people on the mobile device as well. So I don't want to show you the keyword because I cannot show you. This is someone account, this is my client's account, and just because of the security and privacy, I don't want to reveal all those settings for this account. I can show you the ad groups, because inside the campaign, like if I go, this is a campaign, and inside this campaign, whenever we or anyone click on the campaign, you get the ad group. See, the ad group is related to my, I have one ad that's approved here inside this campaign. Let me show you the ads. Even let me show you the keyword for this. If you see the keyword, like I can just show you only these 3 keywords for this ad group. I have a laptop repair at home, laptop repair, and laptop repairs, and I'm trying to maintain a quality score. Like you can see, the quality score for the laptop repair is 9. That's why I'm getting the average CPC very low, and for the laptop repair at home, I have a quality score of 8, and I have a CPC like 4.08, and this is a quality score is 6. I'm getting it's around about up to 5 rupees. So by setting your quality score, like maintaining and working on the quality score, if you make the quality score good and better, that means you will pay a less amount. Like for example, someone is paying 10 rupees for first position and he has a quality score of 6, and you have a quality score of 10 out of 10 or 9 out of 10. That means you will get the better position and you will pay less than that person who is paying the same, who is paying 10 rupees for the same position. Like someone is paying 10 rupees for third position or a second position, but the quality score is 5 out of 10, and you have a quality score 9 out of 10. That means for the same position, like for the second position on a Google first page, you will be paying less than 10 rupees. Like you might be paying 6 rupees or 4 rupees, and someone else will be paying more than you if they don't have a quality score. We will be discussing all those things later on, but my main motive was to show you the ads and the campaign. And in our next video we are going to create a new campaign for a hotel website. The website is under construction right now, so once the website is created, but before completing the website, we can just create a Google account, and we can just create some campaign for them. Though we will not set the billing, but I want to show you how to create the campaign, how to create the account, so that we can come to this level. This is an example I have shown you, and in our next video we will create those things and we will reach up to this level. So guys, I hope you found the video informative, and in order to boost your business, do subscribe the channel for more upcoming updates. And if you already running a campaign and not getting the best result, you can comment me and or email me. I'll reply you within the time frame, so that you can get the best result and your business can be benefited with the Google ads. So let's meet in the next video.